Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. Today I am starting a new series that is Programming Fundamentals Algorithm. If you are a tester or a developer or a consultant or a project manager, you should be familiar with the algorithms because it is fundamental to the software development. If you are anyhow related with the IT or ITS, you should be familiar with the algorithms. It forms the basic foundation of software developments. Any software developer who is not familiar with the algorithms would not be able to write a better code, optimized code. So it is very essential for all the software developers to be proficient with the algorithms. I'll be covering in detail most of the algorithms in this series of tutorials. And also, if you are appearing for any of the interviews for any of the companies, there is high probability or chances that they would be asking a few questions on algorithms as well. Also, it provides a clarity of thoughts in your decision making. So it is very essential for everybody. What are the prerequisites of this tutorial? Prerequisite is you should have a basic syntactual knowledge of any of the programming language. It could be C, C#, C++, Java, Python. It does not matter which language you are proficient in. Algorithms are the basic and work similar in all the languages. So any of the language you are proficient with, you are good to go. You should have the knowledge of any of the editors like Notepad++ or VS Code or Visual Studio or Eclipse. Any of the editor will work. And if you are familiar with the basic functions and variables, when we'll move to the lab, you will be in a better position to understand the concepts. I'll be covering a lot of algorithms. We'll be covering the complexities, the notations, how the time complexity and the space complexity increases or decreases with the change in the data set. We'll be covering different data structures, array, linked list, stack, queue tree, hash table. We'll be covering it. We will be covering sorting, searching, and recursion, and other algorithms also will be covering. We will be covering a lot of area of programming foundations in this tutorial. So let's get started. Let's enjoy the tutorial and build a strong foundation of programming. That's all. Thank you. If you're liking the videos, please do subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me and it motivates me a lot to make more videos. Channel is in its infant stage, so your support is required for the growth of the channel. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.